Dean Trips today here in Port Austin, Michigan. If you know anyone from Michigan, they'll give you the hand, tell you where they live, but here we are. Tip of the thumb. You see that tip of the thumb right up there, Port Austin. Gonna kayak to Turnip Rock. It's a pretty cool rock. Kind of wind's coming out of the northeast, so it's gonna be a little bit going against it, and then it'll push me back. So Port Austin, Michigan, Dean Trips, new mode of transportation today. Got myself a nice kayak. Heading out of the harbor now. About 2 miles into my kayak excursion here in Lake Huron, in the Great Lakes in Michigan. In the distance you might be able to see the lighthouse, Port Austin Lighthouse. A little bit breezy coming out of the northeast. Really beautiful, awesome air temperature day, around 76 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's around 25-ish Celsius. Beautiful day here on Lake Huron. Turnip Rock. Let's go around it. Sun's coming out. It's been just a really great day to be out on the boat and the kayak. And let's go check out, I think there's a sea cave up here. Oh, cave. Little cave right there. Real little cave. Back towards Port Austin. Enjoyed my time here at Turnip Rock. Got the wind behind me now going back. It's going to be really nice. One arm paddle. Turned out to be really nice. Heading back, I'm again at my back. The sun drifting back behind the clouds. Perfect temperature. Beautiful day here in July 17th, 2022. All kayaking on Lake Huron, or the bay, Saginaw Bay. It's right on the top of the thumb. We're on the bay side now, up to the very tip. Turnip Rock. nice day here in Port Austin, Michigan. Hope you enjoyed my little kayaking adventure over to Turnip Rock. Dean Trips, Port Austin, Michigan.